Hello, today I am going to show you how to write a square like a square, b square or h2o in Excel. So there is a option in Excel called superscripts and subscripts. So using that option you can write the a square, b square or h2o. So how to do that? So I'm just showing how you will do. So write a2, correct, and in this cell h2o. So increase the font size to visible, it's better. So I will increase this now. So I want to superscript the 2. So for that I have to select this 2 and I have to click on this plus icon, or you can click Control F1, Control 1 or Control Shift F from your keyboard. See, if you see the screen, there is showing Control Shift F for font settings. So just you can press Control Shift F, that font settings will come. Here there is option superscripts. So for that you have to select superscript, click OK. See, this, and for H2O you have to select the O to 2, and again you have to press the Control Shift F for to go to font settings, and here you have to select subscript. See, I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe.